to know, volume conditioner. Just enough condition to hydrate hair while enhancing shine, detangling, and providing improved flexibility. Hair is left stronger, resists shedding, resists breakage, and looks naturally thicker and fuller without being weighed down. Volume conditioner is sulfate, phthalate, gluten, sodium chloride, and paraben-free. Volume conditioner is also vegan. Featured ingredients include quinoa protein, plumps each strand to maximum fullness. Bentonite clay, plumps, strengthens and protects hair. For best results, after cleansing with shampoo, apply evenly from roots to ends. Leave in for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse thoroughly.